Welcome to my house and welcome to my channel. I'm Laura Cepeda and today I'm going to show you how you can make this beautiful magic scarf. You can use it in so many different ways. I love this yarn. Look, it has a little sparkles in it and the combination of colors, it's amazing. I love it. You will see you can wear it like this, simple. Later on I will show you how you can use it. It has a lot of different ways. You can put it as a cape, as a poncho, or also you can use it as a hat too, or you can roll all over your body. There are a lot of ways. You will see, you will figure it out. You will see that with less material and with less time you will have the perfect gift for these holidays. It's amazing how fast you can make this. Also, if you are just starting a new business, well, you can sell this beautiful scarf. You will see that it will be a complete success. Please, if you make it, send me a picture and tag me. I would love you to see you making this project. Well, before I continue, I wanted to share with all of you that I'm very happy with all of the results. Thanks for subscribing to this channel. Thanks also to subscribe to my Spanish channel. I never expected to have this response when I started in YouTube. I have never watched a video in YouTube. I didn't know what was YouTube about. I didn't even know how to use a computer, and I'm very shocked with all the results. When I started this, I didn't expect it to be famous or to become famous. I'm not looking for that. I'm just looking to help people with the gift that God gave me, and I just share what I loved most. So I hope that you like it. Thanks for subscribing. Thanks for all your nice words. Thanks for all your nice messages. This is the best reward that I could ever have, and I love to meet you all. And please, if you see me out there, I will be very happy to hug you and to meet you. Well, let's don't lose more time. If this is the first time that you watch a video, well, first I will give you the material list and then I will give you the step-by-step to teach you how you can make this beautiful magic scarf. So let's start. Well, for this magic scarf we are going to need 200 grams of Angora Gold. Look, it has a little sparkles and it's so pretty, and 1 round needles of number 10. Remember that if you want to use the same materials that I use in all my videos, here I will leave all the information. Remember that if you want to buy and use the same materials that I use in all my videos, you can visit my online store www.lauracepeda.es. With our circular needles and 1 thread of Angora Gold, we are going to start casting on. Like it's a fine material, it will help to make this stitch, okay? So don't worry, with a fine material like this one, it will be fine. We are going to cast on the stitches like this until we have 81, okay? This is the way I learned. Remember that this is the easiest way I know. Well, once we have the 81 stitches, we are going to start the first row. We are going to knit the first stitch because it's the first row like this, knit 1, and then we are going to make a stitch that we have made before. So we are going to grab our yarn and then we are going to knit 2 together and then pour 1 like this. Then grab your yarn again and knit 2 together and pour 1. And we are going to repeat. Grab your yarn, knit 2, and like this the whole row. So see you when I finish to make this row. Well, at the end you will have something like this. Please check before you continue that you didn't twist, okay? Like I finished making the 2 together. Well, now I'm going to pour, okay? I'm going to pour the first stitch like this. If you make 81, you will finish the same way as I did. So pull, and then two together. But before I continue, I already realized of something, but I want you to see before. In this occasion, we will make two together. But like we have, while we wrap our yarn here, we must make four. So in this occasion, we are going to take three together, and then here we are going to make four. We are just going to make these ones to fix the sequence, okay? So now we are going to continue. Knit two together, pour one, grab your yarn. And like this, we are going to continue making as many rows as we need for the length of our scarf. Remember that before each row, we should check that we didn't twist the cable, okay? So see you when I finish to make the rows that I want. So let's continue. Well, look, this is so far how it's looking, the rows. It's so beautiful. Look at the colors. Please be careful and don't lose any stitch, because if not, we have to start all over again. So be careful, be patient, and enjoy making this, okay? At the end, it will look amazing. I love how it's changing the color here. It's looking beautiful. Well, we are going to continue making as many rows as we need. At the beginning, it will be a little bit difficult because we have to be careful and we have to check that we didn't twist. But when we have more rows, it will be more difficult that the project twist. Okay, so be careful and let's continue making rows. Sometimes it's a little bit annoying when you don't have any stitch here. You have all in the cable, but well, you just have to pull them very careful until the tip of the needle so you can continue. But that's the only annoying thing I found. But well, so far it looks like this. This is the wrong side and this is the right side. Look how different it looks. It looks amazing, right? Well, I'm going to measure it to see how many centimeters I made so you can have an idea. Well, without pull or anything, we are just going to measure the scarf like this. I think approximately I have 1 meter with 30 centimeters. Look, 130 centimeters. Well, after this we are going to bind off. Remember that if you want, you can make more rows, but probably you will need more material, okay? I think this is the perfect size. Well, we are going to bind off very loose to have the same width as the first row, okay? So we are going to bind off carefully and very loose, with one thread of Angora Gold. We are going to bind off like this. We are going to knit two and bring one back. Then we are going to pull a little bit and we are going to hold to make sure that we are going to get the stitches loose. Again, take one back and pull. And like this is how we are going to bind off. Well, so what do you think? At the end you can put these threads at the end of the scarf, okay? If you want, you can leave it like that without threads, or you can put it. You can put it like any other scarf that you make. So it's so simple. You are going to use your crochet hook and it will be easier to put the threads, okay? Well, I hope that you like it. I love how it looks. I love how the colors. At the end, I will leave a little video so you can see the all different ways that you can wear it. I hope that you make it. Please, if you make this beautiful scarf, take a picture and tag me. I love when you make this kind of breaks, and I love that you like it, okay? Please, if you have more ideas like this one, send me an email to tejiamigas@gmail.com where there I see all the ideas and all the beautiful messages that you sent to me, okay? Remember that my staff, my Laura Cepeda team will be in some part of Europe. If you live close from there, well, they will be very happy to see you there. We will be selling the materials and all the accessories that I use in all my videos. And then in the last dates of Madrid and in Paris, I will be there. So thank you so much for watching this video. I really enjoy making this project with me. Here I will leave the calendar with all the dates, so hopefully I can see you there, okay? Well, thank you. Please don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to share this video, and thank you so much again for watching this video and be with me like every Wednesday. Thank you so much, and visit my Spanish channel too. See you the next week. Bye. Love you all. Bye.